At the mighty Niagara Falls lived Nibbles, a young beaver known for his expert building skills. The falls were famous for their power and the magical mist bow, a rainbow that always hovered above the cascading water. One bright morning, Nibbles noticed something strange. The magical mist bow had shattered. The colorful bands had fallen into the swirling waters below. Without the rainbow bridging the sky, the falls seemed to lose some of their sparkling power and magic. Concerned, Nibbles decided to seek advice. Nibbles swam to the deepest pool beneath the falls, where a wise old sturgeon dwelled. The sturgeon had seen many seasons and knew the secrets of the falls. "Nibbles," said the sturgeon with a gravelly voice, "the rainbow has fallen into the water. To bring back the magic, you must build a special dam. Firmly, the dam must catch the colors and raise the rainbow once again." Nibbles was eager, but also a little nervous. Hesitantly, "How can I build such a dam?" he wondered. "Red clay to hold the base," the sturgeon advised. "You'll need help from the grumpy badger, who knows where to dig it. Blue jays will lend their bright feathers to restore the blue hues, and fireflies will give the soft yellow glow." Determined, Nibbles set off to find the grumpy badger named Grumble. Grumble wasn't easy to work with. He furrowed his brow deeply, and his paws were rough from digging. "Why do you need clay, beaver?" he grumbled. Determined. "To catch the colors and rebuild the rainbow," Nibbles replied. Grumble huffed, but finally agreed to help. Together, they dug into the earth, unearthing rich, sticky red clay, perfect for building. Next, Nibbles called to the sky. A lively flock of blue jays gathered around, chirping and fluttering their colorful feathers. Earnestly, "Please share some of your blue so the rainbow can shine again," Nibbles pleaded. The blue jays happily dropped their feathers into Nibbles' paws, the bright blue shimmering with magic. As twilight approached, dozens of fireflies blinked their soft yellow lights, hovering around the dam site like glowing stars. Nibbles carefully caught the yellow glow in tiny jars made from clear leaves. With all the ingredients, the red clay, blue feathers, and yellow glow, Nibbles worked through the night. He built and shaped the dam, laying each piece with care, catching the colors as they floated in the water. By dawn, a magnificent arch of colors stretched once again over Niagara Falls. The magical rainbow was whole. Its vibrant hues danced above the misty waters, restoring the fall's power and beauty. Nibbles and Grumble smiled, proud of their work. The blue jays sang a joyful song, while the fireflies flickered like stars in the morning light. And so, the magic of Niagara Falls was safe once more, thanks to Nibbles, the industrious beaver, and his new friend, Grumble the badger. The colors of the rainbow reminded everyone that when friends come together, even the biggest challenges can be overcome. And every time the rainbow appears over the falls, you can remember the story of Nibbles and the Rainbow Bridge.